Hello students and welcome to the video class of the chapter permutation and combination. It is the fifth lecture of the chapter permutation and combination. In last class we discussed the arrangement of things which are not different. Means what? Suppose there are n things out of which p number of things is first kind, q number of things are in second kind and r number of things are third kind. Then total number of arrangement is what? N factorial divided by p factorial into q factorial into r factorial, and some questions solved last class. In last class some questions also solved. Today we are going to discuss some other concept, that is the arrangement of things occur together and arrangement of things never occur together, and alternate arrangement. Today we are going to discuss arrangement of things. First topic, that is what? We will discuss the arrangement of things in which some particular things always occur, some particular things are all particular things always occur. This method is called, that is what? Tie method or bundle method. This is called tie method or bundle method. This is tie or bundle method. Tie method. And second one is what? That is the arrangement of things never occur together. The arrangement of things in which some particular things never occur together. And third one is, that is no two objects occur. Arrangement of things in which no two of particular things occur together. No two particular things occur together. And fourth one is alternate arrangement. Alternate arrangement. And then after completion, that is finally we will discuss circular arrangement. Before that, that is what? Circular arrangement. And circular arrangement and then after restricted permutation. Then after we will discuss restricted permutation. This will be discussed in this class. That is 1 2 3 4 5 6 concepts are discussed. We'll discuss in this lecture. Now we'll start one by one. First one is time method, and this is what arrangement of things in which no particular things occur together. That is what this is gap method. This is gap method, and this is also called string method. Time method or string method. Now we'll discuss about string method or time method. Now we'll start one by one. Now problem based on string method or time method. Problems based on time method or string method, or that is bundle, we can say bundle method or bundle method. Number one question, how many different ways three boys and 5 girls are arranged in a row, so that 3 boys always occur together. 3 boys always occur together. This is the question. Suppose there are 3 boys. Suppose that is B1, B2, B3, and 5 girls, G1, G2, G3, G4. That is solution here. Given boys, that is what? Given number of boys, given number of boys 3, number of girls is equal to 5. So that is B1, B2, that is suppose say B1, B2, B3, and this is what say G1, G2, G3, G4 and G5. We have to arrange that the number we have to arrange in a row, so that we have to arrange the boys, 3 boys and 5 girls in a row, so that 3 boys occur together. 3 boys, 5 girls को अरेंज करिबा गोटे रो रे, जेमिति कि 3 boys सब गोटे प्लेस रे होथिबे, मिसिक रोथिबे, आउ गर्ल्स माने चेंज हो पारते. तो केमि करिबा एटा टाइम मेथड को होउची. consider 3 boys B1, B2, B3 as single, bind it as single. So number of things here what? Girls 5 and this is 1. So there are 6 units, that is this bundle. Now here 6 units are now here that is what? 6 unit. Now here 6 units, that is 5 girls, different G1, G2, G3, G4, G5 different, consider different. ए 5 को different करो and bundle को गोटे single करो. So 6 unit, this can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. Suppose 6 person अछंदी, 6 person arrange के जाबे 6 factorial रे एटा 5टा person भाबिले ए जो B1 B2 B3 को मो सिंगल पर्सन भाबिले तो केता हो 6 person ला. बट B1 B2 B3 एमानो भीतर अरेंजमेंट हबो केमदी 3 factorial, and 3 boys also arrange themselves, and 3 boys are also arrange themselves in 3 factorial ways. Therefore, in 3 factorial ways, therefore total number of arrangements, arrangements of 3 boys and 5 girls in a row so that 3 boys occur together. 3 boys occur together is equal to what? 6 factorial into 3 factorial. Calculate this. This is calculate. So calculate it. Then I put the answer here. Now another question. Never occur together. Second question is never occur together. This is question number 1. Now question number 2 is never occur together. How many different ways 4 girls and 5 boys are can be arranged in a row so that the girls never occur together. 4 girls, that is girls means what? 4 girls never occur together. First find without restriction. Solution: number of girls is equal to 4, number of boys is equal to 5. So total person, that is 9. Total arrangement without restriction. Total arrangement of 9 persons or 9 children 9 children without any restriction. Without any restriction is equal to 9 factorial. Now we have to find 4 girls occur together. 4 girls occur together. So first find the number of arrangement of arrangement. So number of arrangement such that four girls always occur together. So consider four girls को तुम सिंगल नब 5टा बॉय अच्छा तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ अरेंजमेंट कौन हम 5 बॉयज एंड गर्ल गोटे बंडल भाव केतला 6 है तो कौन लिखिपर 5 बॉयज प्लस बंडल कौन हो दैट इज 5 बॉयज प्लस बंडल दैट इज 6. First find the number of arrangements such that 4 girls always occur together. Consider 4 girls as single. Then what 5 boys and bundle of 4 girls. A bundle of or tie up, a pack of, or that is what? A pack of. Suppose this is one pack. A pack of girls can be arranged in, that is 5 plus 1 6 factorial, and the pack of girls means there are 4 girls they can be arranged themselves in 4 factorial. This is always occur together. So the number of arrangements, therefore the number of arrangements of 4 girls and 5 boys so that the girls never occur together. The girls never occur together is equal to total minus occur together. Total minus occur together. Total means what? 9 factorial minus 6 factorial into 4 factorial. Calculate it and write the answer. Calculate it and write the answer. Okay, this is the solution of question number 2. This is what? Never occur together. Now, gap method. Now, problems based on gap method. How many different ways 5 boys and 6 girls can be arranged in a row so that no 2 boys occur together? Meaning, solution, number of boys 5, number of girls 6. एमती अरेंजमेंट करिबा जो अरेंजमेंट रे 2टा बॉय पाखापाखि नथिबे एमती अरेंजमेंट करिबा जो थे कि 2टा बॉय पाखापाखि नथिबे ता माने गर्ल्स रखिदबा फास्ट रे गर्ल्स रो गैप भितर बॉयज मन को अरेंज करबे एटा होची प्रोसीजर तो गर्ल अछन केते G1 G2 G3 G4 4G5 केतेटा गैप रहा एमती यही सब पोजिशन रे 1 2 3 4 5 एमती बसला हम ना कौन करवा ये 1 2 3 4 5 एमती कले हम ना एपटे एपटे एमती अरेंजमेंट करें केमती अरेंजमेंट हम देख एमती हो पार BG एमती हो पार एमती भी हो पारे दीटा एक्सट्रीम रे बय दीटा रे आउ 3टा मझे जमी रही चलो तो केतटा हो पार ना केतटा प्लेस अच्छी ना 1 2 3 4 5 6 ए प्लेस क्या बय 6टा प्लेस अच्छी के जन बय अच्छा 5 जन अच्छा 5 बॉयज एंड प्लेस फॉर देम इज व्हाट 6 there are 6 places for the boys so that there are 6 places for 5 boys so that they do not occur together they do not occur together. So number of arrangement of 5 boys in 6 that implies number of arrangement of 5 boys 5 girls number of girls is what 6 sorry number of girls is what 6 so there are how many places here there are how many places here 7 places. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 so 6 places not here that is 7 places 7 places for 5 boys so that they do not occur together एमती पोजिशन बसवे से अकर हेनी तो नंबर ऑफ अरेंजमेंट ऑफ 5 boys in 7 places is equal to 7p what 5 अच्छा ये जो अरेंजमेंट सरला बॉयज मानकर आ रहा गर्ल्स गर्ल मान भर अरेंजमेंट हम ना पोजिशन चेंज हो पार सो 6 गर्ल्स कैन बी अरेंज देमसेल्फ 6 गर्ल्स कैन बी arranged themselves in what 6 factorial therefore total number of arrangements is equal to 7p5 into 6 factorial and calculate this figure write the answer this is what problem based on gap method okay if the question will be what no 2 girls occur together this question is wrong the gap method is valid only when no 2 occur together less than the other here कौन अच्छे बॉयज दीटा मिसिक बसी पारे तार नंबर्स कम देवा दरकार अलग मुझे क्वेश्चन गर्ल्स दीटा मिसिक बसी पारे यही क्वेश्चन हो पार ठीक अच्छे जोटा मिसिक बसी पारे कहे तार नंबर्सटा लेस देवा पड़े सब लिखा alternate arrangement रे इक्वल नंबर ऑफ देथिबा दरकार इक्वल alternate arrangement रे इक्वल नंबर देवा दरकार ठीक अच्छे alternate arrangement how many different ways how many different ways. 5 boys and 5 girls are arranged together. Arranged are not 5 boys and 5 girls can be arranged. Can be arranged. Can be arranged in a row so that the boys and girls are alternately. The boys and girls are alternately. The boy and girl, a boy and girl, a boy and a girl, alternately. Okay. Solution. The arrangement. Number of boys here. Number of boys is equal to 5. Number of girls is equal to 5. So case 1, alternately means what? The arrangement starts from boys. The arrangement starts from a boy. Boy arrangement start habo. First B, tapre G, girls, boys, boys, girls, boy, girl, and boy, girl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boys can be arranged 5 factorial. 5 boys can be arranged in 5 factorial. 5 girls can be arranged in 5 factorial. Therefore, number of arrangement, such arrangements is equal to 5 factorial into 5 factorial, that is 5 factorial whole square. Now, case 2, the arrangement starts from a girl. The arrangement starts from a girl, that is G, then B, then girls, then B, boys, girl, boy, 1, 2, 3, 4, and another girl, 5 girl and 5 boys. So this is also the arrangement of such arrangement, number of such arrangement. Same process, such arrangement. Number of such arrangement is equal to number of girls arrangement, which 5 factorial, and boys arrangement, that is 5 factorial. So 5 factorial whole square. Therefore, total number of arrangements show that the boys and girls alternate arrangement. Therefore, total number of arrangements such that the boys and girls are alternately, that is 5 factorial whole square plus 5 factorial whole square, that is 2 into 5 factorial whole square. This is answer. Okay. Now another question. How many ways can the letters of the word intermediates be arranged so that the vowels always occupy even places? First bit, second bit, the order of vowels do not change. Solution: intermediates intermediate. The vowels occupy even places. Number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. That is intermediate. So this is place 1, this is place 1, this is place 2, this is place 3, this is place 1, this is place 1, place 2, place 3, place 4, place 5, place 6, place 7, plus 8, plus 9, plus 10, plus 11 plus, this is 12 plus. Okay, 12 letters in 12 place. Vowels always occupy even places. Vowels always occupy even places. Even places, that is the 12 places, that is place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So even places कोटा होची 8 out even places, 8 out even places, 8 out even places, 8 out even places, 8 out even. The even places are second, fourth, sixth, eighth, 10th and 12th. So number of even places is what? Number of even places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of even places. Number of even places is equal to 6. So in 6 places the vowels are what? The vowels I, E, I, E, E, I, A, E. The vowels are arranged in 6 places. In 6 places is equal to what? Is equal to 6 factorial divided by what? Number of I. Number of I is equal to here 2. So divide by 2 factorial. Number of E is equal to 3. So into here 3 factorial. Calculate this. Okay. If we calculate, this is what? Now calculate this. Calculate this. This is what? 3 factorial cancel here. 3 factorial into 4 into 5 into 6. Divide by 2 factorial means 2 into 3 factorial here. Cancel. That is 120. 120 by 2. That is 60. This is 60 answer. Now 60 and other remaining letters. Other remaining letters. That is what? Other remaining letters except vowels. N, T, R, M, D, T are arranged, can be arranged in, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 factorial. Here repeated to T here. 2 repeated, so 2 factorial, that is 720 divided by 2, 360. 720, that is what? 5 factorial means 120, 6 factorial means what? 120 into 6, 720 by 2, that is equal to 360. So total number of arrangement is equal to what? Total number of arrangement is equal to 60 into 360. 60 into 360. Therefore, number of arrangements. Therefore, number of arrangements so that the vowels occupy even places is equal to 60 into 360, which is equal to what? 60 into 360, multiply it. After multiplication, that is what we will get what? 21600, that is multiply this. 21600 is the answer. 21600 is the answer. This is option bit 1. Now bit 1 is completed. Now bit 2. The order of the vowels do not change. Second bit is what? The order of the vowels do not change. In the word, second option, in the word intermediates, the order of the vowels appear H, I, E, I, A. Now, the orders of vowels do not change. Consider I, E, I, A as single, and others are except I, E, I, A. Remaining is what? Others remaining letters. Other remaining letters is equal to what? N, T, R, M, D, T, this. So this 6 and this one. Just consider this is single. Eta gotte bhabibo, eta chota achi. So this can be arranged. This can be arranged. That is 6. This is 6 plus 1. That is 7 factorial divided by. There are 2 letters here. T, 2 factorial, and the order cannot be changed. This is answer. The order cannot be changed. So need not calculate its arrangement here. That is I, E, I, A remain as it according to sin. Remain fixed. It is no arrangements. The bundle is only the bundle is arranged here. is a packet kali a I E A को गोटे पैकेट ये जोड़ के जीव से पर मिसिक जाउथिबो एमानो भितर अरेंजमेंट हेबाकू मना करछ क्वेश्चन रे So total number of arrangement is what? 7 factorial divided by what? 2 factorial. So what is 7 factorial means? 7 factorial means what? That is 7 factorial, that is what? 7, that is, calculate this, we will get 7 factorial divided by 2 is equal to what? We will get 2520. This is 2520. Calculate this. This is equal to 2520. 7 factorial by 2 means what? That is, calculate here. 7 factorial into, that is what? 6 factorial into 7. So 6 factorial means 720 into 7 by 2. So calculate this, 360. 360, and that is 7 zeros are 0, and this is 2, 42 2, and this is 21 plus 25. This is answer. Okay. Now these are the concept regarding the gap method, string method, that is string method, etc. Now we will discuss about the circular arrangement. We will discuss about the circular arrangement. Circular permutation. Circular permutation. Permutations or arrangements, or circular arrangements. Circular arrangements. There are two types of circular types. Type 1, clockwise and anti-clockwise arrangements are different. Arrangements are different. Number 2, clockwise and anti-clockwise arrangements are identical or same. So for first, theorem 1, the number of arrangements of n different things in a circle is n minus 1 factorial if the clockwise and anti-clockwise arrangement are different. This is case number 1, theorem 1, and theorem 2 is if clockwise and anti-clockwise arrangement are identical. Then number of arrangements of n things in a circle in a circle is n minus 1 factorial by 2. N minus 1 factorial by 2. This is theorem number 2. Now let's discuss about some questions based on circular permutation. In how many ways 5 boys and 5 girls can sit around a table if there is no restriction? Number 2, all girls are together. Number 3, all girls never together. Number 3, now all girls never together. Number 4, no 2 girls together. Number 5, boys and girls are alternate. Solution: number of boys is equal to 5, number of girls is equal to 5. Number 1, the arrangement without 5 boys and 5 girls are arranged in around a table round table is equal to, total is what? Total is equal to 10. So 10 minus 1 factorial, that is n minus 1 factorial, that is 9 factorial. Now second bit is all girls are together. All girls are together. Consider 5 girls as single. Here consider 5 girls as single and 5 boys different. 5 boys are different. So number of arrangement in such case, this is single, this is bundle of girl, G1, G2, G3, G4, this is and G5, this is single, and B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, and this is 5 different and this is single. So total number of arrangement is what? Total number of A5, A1, 6 है 6 minus 1 factorial, and the girls can be arranged. The girls, that is 5 factorial, the girls are arranged. The girls, 5 girls are arranged in 5 factorial, that is total number of arrangement. Total number of such arrangement is equal to 5 factorial into 5 factorial, that is 5 factorial whole square, that is girls occur together. Third bit, now third bit is what? All girls never together. Third bit, all girls never together. All girls never together means that is total without restriction. Total arrangement without restriction minus all girls occur together. That implies 9 factorial minus 5 factorial whole square. This is occur together. This is without restriction minus occur together. This is, first one is over. and second one is also over, third one is over. Now fourth one is no two girls occur together. Fourth bit, no two girls occur together. Fourth bit, solution of fourth bit, no two girls occur together. This is gap method. How the gap? First जहाँ पर कंडीशन नहीं ताकू अरेंज कर दबा, का पर कंडीशन नहीं बॉयस ऊपर फर्स्ट B1 B2 B3 B4 B5. तो बॉयस 4 boys can be arranged in a circle is 5 boys can be arranged in a circle is how much? In how many ways? 5 minus 1 ways. Solution of fourth bit, that is 5 boys can be arranged around a table is equal to what? 5 minus 1 factorial. 5 minus 1 factorial, that is 4 factorial. एमदिया केस रे फर्स्ट जहाँ पर रेस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं ताकू राउंड टेबल रे अरेंज करिवो. तापरे केतरा गैप अछि? 1 2 3 4 5. There are 5 gaps for 5 girls. So they can be, so the girls can be, so 5 girls can be arranged in 5 places is equal to 5 factorial. Therefore total number of arrangement of such arrangement, is what? Therefore total number of such arrangement, first no two girls occur together means that is gap method. So जहाँ पर कंडीशन नहीं सेटा फर्स्ट सर्कुलर रे अरेंज कर दियो. बॉयस ऊपर कंडीशन किछ नहीं तो बॉयस को अरेंज कर ली 5 minus 1 factorial रे 5 बॉय को एंड 5 गैप अच्छे देखो बॉय भितर 5टा गैप अच्छे नहीं 1 2 3 4 5 एक गैप रे सब गर्ल्स रहिबे. सो 5 girls can be arranged in 5 places. In 5 places. 5 girls can be arranged in 5 places. 5 gaps. That is gaps here. 5 gaps in how much? 5 factorial. Therefore total number of such arrangement. Therefore total number of such arrangements is equal to 4 factorial into 5 factorial. Now no two girls occur together completed. Now fifth bit is boys and girls alternate. Fifth bit is boys and girls alternatively. So same answer here, that is first start with boys and start same concept here. Same concept, that is there are 5 gaps. First this is B1 B2 B3 and B4 and this B5. Boys can be arranged in a circular, that is what? 5 boys can be arranged in a circle. 5 boys, this is 5 boys can be arranged in a circle. In a circle is what? Circle is equal to 5 minus 1 factorial, that is 4 factorial, and the gaps, there are 5 guests for 5 girls. So number of arrangement of girls is equal to 5 factorial. So total number of arrangement such case, total number of such arrangements is equal to 4 factorial into 5 factorial. These are the one question related to circular permutation. Now another question, very interesting question. Find the number of ways in which 20 different flowers of two types can be set alternately in a garland means pulamala, there being 10 flowers of each type. 10टा गोटे प्रकार आउ 10टा गोटे प्रकार अच्छी, दी टाइप फ्लावर अच्छी. फर्स्ट गोटे टाइप फ्लावर को आम सपोज रेड कलर एंड व्हाट रेड कलर आ गोटे येलो कलर नबा. सपोज रेड कलर नबा येलो कलर नबा. रेड 1 सपोज दुईटा टाइप कलर अच्छी भावदा. रेड 2 रेड 3 रेड 4 रेड 5 रेड 6 एमती सब ना. रेड 1 रेड 2 रेड 3 रेड 4 रेड 5 रेड 6 रेड 7 सपोज रेड 8 रेड 9 रेड 10 एमती अच्छी. तो सेम टाइप रहे सेम कलर रहा सेम सपोज रेड रेड सेम कलर नहीं जा नंबरिंग तो करवा जना पड़ोनी सेम कलर नहीं रेड 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 10टा अच्छी 10टा कलर 10टा गोटे टाइप अच्छी आर टाइप. तो 10 सपोज सॉल्यूशन नंबर ऑफ फ्लावर्स ऑफ टाइप 1 solution number of flowers of type 1 is equal to 10 type 1 and type 2 is equal to 10. Suppose type 1, so type 1 10 flowers of type 1 10 flowers of type 1 are arranged in a garland in 10 minus 1 factorial by 2 कौन पे ना एपटे देखले जमी देखा क्लॉक वाइज एपटे देखले जमी देखा एतर अपोजिट डायरेक्शन मध्य सेम देखा गोटे प्रकार एमती अरेंजमेंट कले जो जमी देखा एमती देख सेम देखा. तो by 2 factorial हम by 2 factorial और that is 2. आउ देख केतटा गैप अच्छी 10टा गैप अच्छी एंड देयर आर 10 gaps for flowers of type 2 flowers of type 2 So second type 2 can be type 2 flowers can be arranged themselves is equal to 10 factorial. Therefore total number of such arrangements is equal to that is 9 factorial divided by 2 into 10 factorial. This is answer. Okay, now let's discuss about the restricted permutation. Number 1, that is what? Restricted permutation. number of arrangements of n different things taking r at a time, taking r number at a time, if k number of particular things occur in each arrangement means always occur in each arrangement means what? This is always occur is given by suppose these are r places, first place, second place, third place, then rth place. This is first, second and third place, and this is rth place. So k number where condition is what? Where k less than r, less than equal to r, k less than equal to r. So this can be what? K less than equal to r. So k things always occupy this position. So k particular things can be, that is what? r p k. r टा प्लेस अच्छी का पे k टा पे r टा बड़ो r p k इनटू बाकी रहिला केते टोटल रो k मो सिलेक्शन कली, टोटल मते करियो अच्छी केते r, टोटल रो k आउट हैला, बाकी रहिला केते n माइनस k, आउ बाकी रही टोटल मते हेबो अरेंजमेंट केते आसीबा दरकार, टोटल अरेंजमेंट r टा आसीबा दरकार, k टा सरी जाइछ, r रो k टा सरी जाइछ, तो बाकी रहिला केते एटा हेबो r माइनस k, टोटल r हेबा दरकार, ए टोटल n हेबा दरकार. ये हला केस नंबर फर्स्ट थ्योरम. सेकंड थ्योरम, number of arrangements of n different things taking r at a time, taking r number of at a time if k number of particular things never occur in the arrangement, in the arrangements. टोटल n थिला सेथरु 8 मध्ये कोन r लेस देन इक्वल टू k. 8 माने कोन देखो n दा टोटल थिला सेथरु k टा को रिजेक्ट करे हाइछ, तो बाकी रहिला केते n माइनस k, तो रहबो n माइनस k हमको सही r ही करियो पड़े n माइनस k p r, where n minus k condition is what? Where n minus k greater than r, where condition is where n minus k should be greater than r. Okay, these are two theorems of restricted permutations. Example, now two examples. Example, if there are 10 people, the number of arrangement of 10 people taking 7 at a time, if two particular persons always occur, first bit, two particular number of people is equal to 10. Number of arrangements are done taking 7. Condition is what? Condition is no two particular persons always occur. Two particular persons always occur. So these are reserved for 7 places. This is place 1, place 2, place 3, place 4, place 5, 1, 2, first place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place, sixth place, and this is 7th place. तो 7टा प्लेस अच्छी क्या पाए 2 जन पाई. तो केते आंसर 7p2 2 जन अरेंज हो गले. आउ टोटल प्लेस सरी जाइछि केते 7 रो 2टा सरी जाइछि 5टा प्लेस रहले बाकी अछंती केते 2टा रही गले टोटल रो 2 10 माइनस जो 8 नंबर ऑफ प्लेसेस केते अछि 5 8p5 and calculate this is your answer. Second bit, no 3 particular persons never occur. केबे occur हेबनी आसीबन 3 particular. तो टोटल थिला केते टोटल थिला 10 क्षेत्र 3 केबे ले हेबनी. तो no 3 particular persons never occur माने से माने लिस्ट आउट करा हैला. तो 3 गल रहला केते 7 रहला केते जण को सिलेक्शन करबी 7 जण को 7p7 okay 7p7 this is and calculate this is answer. These are some concepts regarding the permutation. In next class we will discuss some more questions and some objective questions of the chapter permutation and combination in different methods. Thank you. Have a nice day.